If this leak from UK retailer Argos is true, then this could be the dream drone that everybody's been waiting for. Now, UK retailer Argos have accidentally or on purpose posted these leaks on their website. They've taken them off now, but the Fly More combo is still on there for some reason. You can check it out. I'll link it in the description down below. But from these leaks, and we've got the specs, somebody actually picked the specs up off the website very quickly. This looks like the drone that we've all been waiting for, particularly myself as a creator, somebody on YouTube that uses drones every now and again. I did have the original Mavic Mini, and although it was under 250 grams, you could fly it anywhere. That was a good thing about it. It had no 4K, it had no smart tracking options, the range was disappointing, the overall thing was not very good. So DJI have seemed to address all of those issues in this new drone, and I think what they've done is sort of combined the Mavic Air together with the Mavic Mini and created this one cool super drone. So anyway, without further ado, here are the specs that have been leaked. First of all, the price, £859 or $1,080 in the US. That's a really compelling price, and even more compelling by the pictures on the website. It looks like it's coming with DJI's new smart controller with the screen built in, and if that really is the case, now this is a real bargain, because their other smart controller is like £872 in the UK, whatever it is. It's ridiculously expensive with the screen built in. This drone comes with that kind of controller built in. If that's true, this is the bargain of the century. Not only that, the specs look phenomenal as well. So keeping within the Mavic Mini sort of specs that we've had in previous versions, it's 249 grams, so that will allow you to fly it anywhere without any sort of restrictions, and that's a must when it comes to this day and age, because they're just stopping you doing from everything. It's got a 1 1/3 inch CMOS sensor, which is good. It's going to be hopefully better in low light conditions. A 48 megapixel raw photos it can take, and it will be able to record in 4K Ultra HD with HDR support as well. So 4K 60, that's a must. 4K for a drone, really. When you get it, these kind of shots, you need that kind of detail. 4K is a minimum. That was what we were missing from the original Mini. It only had 2.7K, and the picture just didn't look good. So 4K, brilliant addition. 4K 60, 1080 at 120 as well, so it's got that ability to shoot slow motion apparently as well. That's a brilliant feature. 16 meters per second top speed, which in English is 35 miles an hour, so it's quick. Range was a massive issue on the original Mini. Now this has got a 4,000 meter height band, so it's going to be able to go high like the original Mavic Pro I had back in the day. So it's going to go high as well. The range on the Mini was just terrible, so hopefully this will go a bit further. With the new remote, I expect to be up to 10 kilometers at least, so let's hope for that. An improved 34 minutes flight time, that's pretty decent. If you've got the Fly More combo, you're going to have 3 batteries included in this as well, so you're going to have over 90 minutes worth of flight time. That's brilliant. Apparently, like I said, it includes a new remote, and if it does, it's going to be really, really impressive. It's got the new screen built in. I've got some pictures to overlay on here so you can see it. Really, really impressive spec so far. The Fly More combo will be about £159 or $200, so then you get 2 more batteries, like I said, and propellers and a case. Other new features is going to have optical avoidance. By the look of the design of this, it's got big cameras on the front and the bottom, so it's going to be able to avoid any obstacles. Hopefully you're not going to crash in any trees. It's got the tracking features built in, which is something else we've been missing from the Mini in the past. Those tracking features where you can do the smart loops and the boomerang or whatever you want to do, it's going to track the person as well. That'd be really handy for me for electric bike videos. I can ride down a lane and I can track myself with the camera, so hopefully that will be built in as well. So is this the dream come true drone that everybody's been waiting for? I like the fact that sort of looks like they're combining the Mini and the Air together to bring one super drone. We've got 4K, we've got obstacle avoidance, we've got tracking, we've got a better range, we've got a better battery life. Not only have we got those specs, it's under 250 grams, which helps you fly it anywhere without any kind of restrictions apart from near no-fly zones, near airports. Obviously stick to the laws and be careful where you're flying your drone. But to have all these features packed into one little tiny package, if it's true and the price is right, I'm definitely going to be getting one. So if you're new to the channel, please do make sure you subscribe down here, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, because we're going to be covering more on this drone coming soon and other tech uploads every single week. So yeah, stay tuned. Really appreciate it. Give this video a like as well. It really does help. Hopefully, we're going to be getting the dream drone of our dreams. Dream. A lot of dreams there, a lot of drones. So anyway, let's stay tuned and hopefully this news turns out to be true. Until next time though, guys, take it easy. See you in the next one. Bye.